Okay.
Hi, it's Nancy Knight. This is me in my bee suit. Don't I look interesting? Well, I'm here to open up my beehive and we'll take a look at the bees inside. I have a special tool. It's called a smoker. The smoke helps the bees calm down. So we're going to go on over to my hive. First, I'm going to give a few puffs of smoke around the hive to calm the bees down. I'm going to put it here so the smoke is nearby. Oh, I'm actually going to get my tool. We can film the bees while I get my tool. Well, I'm back with my hive tool. Helps me pull all the hive parts off that I need to work with. Take the rock off the top. I'm going to take off the top of the hive and set it aside. And here we're going to take off the inner lid. I see quite a few bees inside. I'm going to pull out the frames and I'm going to check to see if they have begun to make any honey. So I use my tool to pry the frames out. Let's take a look. Well, this frame is empty. It's just got some bees on it. So I'm going to set it aside. And I'll take a look at these frames one by one. Take a look at those bees. They're looking pretty good. Well, I'm going to take a look at all the frames. So I'm going to say goodbye for now, and we'll come back another time when we're inside the other box of the frame.